Hi, Tait here, and welcome back to another video! I know it's been forever, and I apologize. I have been so busy. I've been doing TAFE, and now uni. I'm studying my Bachelor of Animation. Like, who'd have thought I'd ever go to uni? And I've been doing gym challenges, and dancing, and just everything. My schedule hasn't really allowed for YouTube until now. So I am coming back to YouTube with time lapses and tutorials, and I am looking forward to it. As well as that, I will be live streaming on Twitch again regularly, so go over to my Twitch, link will be in the description, because I will be doing monthly giveaways there, and also some sort of point reward system. To enter the giveaways, you need to be part of that point reward system, because you'll use those points which you get for watching the stream and subbing and just interacting in general. They will buy tickets for the giveaway. So yeah, go follow my Twitch for that. There will also be lots of updates happening in my Discord, as there always have been. I've always been active on my Discord, so there's a link to join that in the description below as well. If you want to suggest tutorials or videos or just have a chat, come join me. I'm also updating my website, which has all of my commission information on it, so I'd appreciate commissions during this time as well. I have heaps of time to do them, and I am loving art right now, so I want to get into it and do everything. And my other active platform is Instagram, really. Semi-Facebook, but Instagram's probably the main one at the moment. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitch, and Discord. Main places to catch me at. So I hope I'll see you there, and I look forward to seeing you in more videos. Bye!